Hey, what's up? It's Josh with the Get Business Credit YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be going over the Amazon Freight program, Freight Partner program. So this is a little bit different video. The reason I'm making this video is a lot of you guys are looking to get into the transportation business or start a trucking company, and I came across this new program that Amazon is offering. So I thought I'd make a video about it. I'm going to make another video if you don't want to be a truck driver or start a trucking business, be like an owner operator for the Amazon courier service that you don't need a CDL license for. But anyways, I'm just going to go through this real quick. Like I said, this video isn't for everybody, but those that are looking to start a trucking company, this might be, an option for you. Okay, so I'm not sure if a lot of you guys know this or not, but Amazon is trying to basically not only handle all their shipping for all their customers that buy on Amazon Prime, but they're also trying to eventually become like a shipping company. So they're going to be a direct competitor with, like, say, FedEx, UPS, DHL. So anyways, they offer this Amazon Freight Partner program where they will provide you with the truck. It's your own business, basically, but you have to drive basically exclusively for Amazon Freight. So I'm just going to kind of go through all this. I'm not an expert on the trucking business, but I just want to put this information out there for those that may be interested in this. So you can start up this as low startup cost. Start your business with cost as low as $40,000. I know that sounds like a lot. As low as $40,000, that's a lot of money. But hey, if you can get $40,000 personal loan or friends or family, you pretty much have your own business, can start making money right away, So, and it says, and zero upfront for state-of-the-art Amazon branded trucks. So you'll get your own Volvo truck. It says long-term growth. I'll have a link in the description below for you guys to check this out. Like I said, I'm not a super expert when it comes to trucking, but I did want to put this out there for you guys that are, looking to start a business or maybe a second business or a third business. But long-term growth, everybody knows Amazon is not going anywhere. They're growing, rapidly every single month. So I don't think you're going to, be out anything as long as you put in the effort. So best in the class training, jumpstart your business with hands-on training and a dedicated business coach. And you can create local jobs as well. So it's not like they will just give you, say, just one truck. You can get 5 trucks. It's almost like, think of this as buying a franchise in a way. Let's see the opportunity section. So startup cost as low as $40,000. Annual revenue potential is $1.5 million to $3.5 million. Annual profit potential is $100K to $300K. Let's read this fine print here. It says estimated based on first 5 trucks to get started. Actual cost will vary. Figures and projections for a partner operating 10 to 20 trucks. Figures will vary. So it just depends how much you use the trucks and, how many hours you're putting into it. Just like anything else, how dedicated you are. You don't need to be like an expert on the trucking business to get started. It's just like buying a franchise. You can get your own drivers that have CDL license, pay them, and you split the profits, or just like starting your own trucking company. But it says right here, we're looking for leaders to run full-time hands-on business, hire and coach teams, and operate in a highly regulated and fast-paced environment. I'll uplift your team of up to 20 to 45 commercial drivers by providing full-time W-2 employment with competitive pay, healthcare, and other benefits. So they're helping you like build your own business in a box, basically. And the reason, like I said, they're doing this is not just because Amazon, for the Amazon products, Amazon FBA or Amazon Prime, moving products from each warehouse. What they're doing is they're strategically basically jump-starting their own freight company. So in projected years, say 5 or 10 years from now, companies can ship from, say, have nothing to do with Amazon, but are going through Amazon Freight for shipping as a LTL carrier. So there's too much to go through here, and I don't want to bore you if you guys aren't, interested in this. I just want to put it out there. But Most franchises, think of this as kind of like a franchise, but most franchises, you're going to spend, well over $40,000 to get started, for whatever type of franchise it is. And this is a company that we know is not going anywhere. And how profitable it is, I don't know, but what I can tell you is it's all about how much time you put into it. Just like anything else, you're going to make more money the more time you put into it. So it says, get started. It's like I said, I'll let you guys, go through this, but it is location based. So say Ohio, Cincinnati, Columbus, and Twinsburg are the locations. You're gonna have to check and see if your location is available, but you basically participate in a 12-week Amazon exclusive training program, and after that you start hauling. So you request information, join the webinar, apply online, complete interviews, receive your offer, start hands-on training, start hauling. I don't think this is a thing where you need to have good credit, because for some way they're gonna have a lien or whatever on the truck. So I didn't dive into it too much, but there's the FAQs. Like I said, I don't want to make this video too long. I just want to put out this opportunity for those that are looking to get into the trucking business. But like it says here, do you need to have a commercial driver's license to join the program? No, you do not. You do not need a CDL. As an owner, you'll recruit. So if you do have a CDL, great, and you want to drive yourself just one truck or whatever, that would be fine. But say you don't have a CDL, but you have business experience and you know people, or you can hire people that have CDLs, then you can have them work for you. So how many trucks will Amazon provide? It says they'll provide 10 to 20 trucks. However, there's no guarantee your company will receive 10 trucks or grow to 20 trucks. Growing to 20 trucks is combined on factors. So it's going to depend. So they're going to start you off with, like it says here, do I have to start with 10 trucks? No. You'll start with 1 to 3 trucks, and then depending on your performance at that point, you can grow and get more trucks. So Amazon will provide you with the down payment to cover all the costs. Basically, they also cover the tolls and fuel costs. So they're really helping you start your own business, like a turnkey business. How much money you'll make, it really is going to depend. I'm not even going to talk about that because I can't even give you an example, but for something like this, it's not going to be just a small amount. You're going to make a pretty good living, I think. And it says you can exit, and Amazon does not charge a fee for exiting the program. So yeah, there's so much information, but you just hit request information, fill out that, and then somebody will get back with you. I know this video is not a typical business credit video that I would normally put out, but I wanted to throw this out there for those that are looking for a business opportunity to start. With all that being said, please hit the subscribe button. I got business credit videos coming out weekly, sometimes daily. They mainly cover actual business credit cards, business funding, no personal guarantee, how to get all these cards. Anyways, hit that subscribe button and give the video a thumbs up if you found this information valuable. The link will be in the description. Thanks again. Bye-bye.